It was established in 1913 and today we are celebrating the centenary. The founder member of our branch was an eminent physician of that time and a great social worker, Dr. Bhopal Singh. He was the first secretary of this branch. He also donated his very precious land to IMA, on which our IMA hall is situated today. All of us know we are privileged to have the Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Sahib, former President of India, as our chief guest today. He is on his way to Meerut and will be here in a short while. Meanwhile, let's not wait for him and sit idle. Rather, let us bring forth and enjoy the history and journey of IMA Meerut branch from 1913 to 2013. For this purpose, I request my dear friend, Dr. Virottam Tomar, Vice President IMA Meerut branch, to share with us all the brilliant information about IMA Meerut that he has collected with so much of effort in the last couple of months. Dr. Virottam Tomar, please.
Good evening, everybody, and I welcome you all on this historical occasion of centenary celebration of IMA Meerut branch. Guests, IMA members, ladies and gentlemen, from Ramayana era, the original name of Meerut was Maharashtra, on the name of kingdom of the Maya Danav, the father-in-law of Raman. From Mahabharata era, the Hastinapur and Parikshitgarh city are situated nearby, and the first freedom struggle, as you all know, was started on 10th May 1857 from Meerut. The world famous Catholic church built by Begum Samru is situated nearby at Sardana. Meerut Medical Association, it is as I said, is the oldest medical association of India. It was established in 1930 and was founded by eminent physician and surgeon Dr. Bhopal Singh. This branch was registered with Registrar of Societies and Chit Fund in year 1927. After 15 years of establishment of Meerut branch, in 1928, National Medical Association came in existence, and this name was changed to Indian Medical Association in 1930. And again after 15 years, on 21st October 1945, Medical Association Meerut was changed to Indian Medical Association Meerut branch. It is not possible to discuss the history of IMA Meerut branch without mentioning the name of Dr. Bhopal Singh. Dr. Bhopal Singh was born on 20th February 1880 at Kiratpur in district Bijnor College. Later on, he joined UP Medical Services and he was lecturer at Kanpur University, Agriculture University, and at Agra Medical College till 1912. He left Agra due to his nationalist views which were not acceptable to the European principle. He was later appointed as the convener of first board of studies when Agra Medical College School was converted to Agra Medical College. He founded the Medical Association Meerut in 1913 and was its first founder secretary. In the initial tough times, Colonel Dr. Garvey, the civil surgeon of Meerut, came forward to provide the place for regular meetings at his hospital till 1917. Later on, a room was provided at the second floor of clock tower for regular meetings. A medical library was established at Town Hall and it is still there. IMA UP State was founded in 1934. Its first conference was held at Meerut on 12th and 13th November 1934 with Dr. Bhopal Singh as organizing chairperson and Dr. R.N. Bose as organizing. Besides IMA, he was also actively involved in other social activities of Meerut. He became secretary of Meerut Collegiate Association, and his tenure in 1935, the biology sections were started in Meerut College. Dr. Bhopal Singh was declared the national president in 1940 at its Lahore session. He was also president of IMA Meerut branch in 1942. Dr. Bhopal Singh left for his heavenly abode on 28 July 1952. IMA Meerut branch has always cherished his memory by naming IMA Hall as Dr. Bhopal Singh Memorial Hall. This is I think I found the oldest picture of our Indian Medical Association Hall. This was of around 1960. Dr. Bhopal Singh generously donated his valuable land to make a beautiful hall for regular meetings and other activities of the association. Since then, IMA Meerut branch is regularly conducting its academic, social and community services for the doctors as well as for the society. Brigadier Rameshwar Singh, the son-in-law of Dr. Bhopal Singh, laid down the foundation stone of this hall in 1956, 15th August. And it was the historical moment for not only for city, for Indian Medical Association Meerut branch, that late Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the then Prime Minister of India, inaugurated this hall on 24th October 1959. Here I have chosen few very rare photographs of IMA of that inaugural ceremony, and I will present to you. Here you can see Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is entering this IMA hall, and along with, on the left side, there is Dr. Vyas, Dr. Karoli behind him, Dr. Chaurasia, Dr. Bhargav is with him. Again, entering in the hall, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, just before inaugurating the hall, Dr. Chopra welcoming Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, shaking hand. Again, Dr. Chopra shaking hand with Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Few dignitaries welcoming Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru at IMA Hall. Dr. Vyas, Dr. Karoli, J.L. Karoli, the famous physician of Meerut, giving welcome address here for Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Here all are standing for Vande Mataram, and here two girls rendering the Vande of Dr. Arun Mathur. On the stage from the left side, Dr. Vyas. Next is General Shehnaz Khan, Dr. Karoli and others. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru addressing the audience at the dining table.